Today's visit took me to Southend Airport to visit the Vulcan Restoration Trust. The trust is based in Hangar 6, which is a short walk from the passenger terminal. The aircraft did used to be visible from the railway line between London Liverpool Street and Southend Victoria. You can get quite close and have a good look around the main aircraft. Cockpit visits were available for an additional fee. They do sell out quickly, so it may be worth getting to the venue early to secure a place. The event day was the classic Jets day, so there were plenty of other exhibits to look at. And also there were some small cockpits that you could also visit for an additional fee. A replica engine was also sounded. You will see why I've stood back due to the noise. There were also views of the main airport apron from behind security barriers, which definitely gave an alternative view of the main airport. There was also 2 Spitfires and a Dakota at the airport due to there being air shows in the surrounding areas. The Spitfire pilots were treated like rock stars.
There's one. It looked like it was turning.
The Chelmsford Silver Band were also performing, and also, some would say more importantly, Datum Attitude Brewing Co. had a beer stand and the beer was fantastic. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching Travel with Julia.